Hey Pearls, it's time for another monthly meal plan. I have an entire month's worth of meal planning all done, ready to go. I have a free printable of this. I also have a free template ready to go for you to download for free. Did I say free? It's free. How many times am I gonna say free? It's for you. I put it all together and I'm gonna walk you through what's on our meal plan and how I strategize to make sure that we are able to meal plan on a budget. Welcome back. I'm Brittany and this is Pennies into Pearls, where I share with you small actionable steps that you can change and tweak and implement into your daily life that are simple yet are gonna have a huge impact on helping you and your family get closer to your goals. If you wanna achieve some goals, consider hitting that subscribe button. Normally I'd be filming this intro in my kitchen, but scheduling has been a bit difficult here lately, and Mav's watching Ninjago Lego movie, so I'm in here today. First, I need to let you guys know that this video today is sponsored by my own course, 30-Day Family Finance Rescue. In this online course, you are going to be taken by the hand, and I'm going to show you how to customize a goal-based budget that is going to help you eliminate negative attitudes and negative bad habits that are holding you back from ending that paycheck to paycheck life. In my course, I help you learn how to make it customized. It has to be customized. You can't just copy exactly how some people do it, though you can learn, but you can't copy because your family has completely unique circumstances. If you're wondering why in the world are we living paycheck to paycheck, I want to travel, I want to buy my own house, I want to be a stay-at-home mom. What are some of your big goals that you have for your family? Why aren't you living those dreams? In 30-Day Family Finance Rescue, I help you paint a picture of what you want your future to look like for you and your family, and then I teach you how to make a financial action plan customized to how your family lives and what your finances look like, and turn that into a goal-based budget to actually make it happen. Now, enrollment for my online course isn't open all the time, but it is gonna open soon. So you don't wanna miss out when the doors do open. So go to the description box, click the link to sign up for my waitlist so you don't miss out. All right, a couple things for the month of April's meal plan. Again, I have this filled out meal plan ready for you to go. Anything I reference, the links will be in the description box. But I have a filled out one. If you download the PDF, then all of the menu ideas are gonna be a clickable link. But I also have a template because it's so important for you to plan your meal plan off of what you already have in your fridge, freezer, and pantry first. And it has a weekly meal plan, and then it also has a monthly meal planning template for you. So check those links, print them off, and let's get to meal planning. This is based off of what we already had in our fridge, freezer, and pantry. And then also we have a few things going on in the month of April, like hubby's birthday. I'm going out of town to a conference for bloggers and creators. And so you have to look at your schedule anytime you're meal planning, because if I would have planned an entire month of home cooked meals while I'm out of town, that food's gonna go to waste because I'm pretty sure that hubby's not making homemade meals while I'm gone. So I had to take that all into consideration, and in tomorrow's video, you'll see kind of like how I supplement not cooking at home with maybe some freezer meals that I buy at Costco. So, grocery haul video is coming out tomorrow. Let's jump in the computer and we'll talk about the meal plan. So in week one, it's Tommy's birthday. So we're gonna do a special at-home dinner night, and then we're also doing a date night. But I already kind of like play into eating out once a week-ish, once every 2 weeks. If you're curious why I only plan for 5 meals per week typically, I have a link down to our meal planning strategy and how we kind of work it all so we can stick to our $400 budget per month. So make sure and go check that out, and you got all your answers. We're gonna do a at-home steak dinner, so I'm gonna buy those steaks fresh. So I had to leave a little bit of money left over and worked our budget around that. We're also doing homemade tostadas, quesadillas. It's a lot of Mexican food for 1 week, but we love it. A lemon tilapia with the side veggie, and then we're just doing hot dogs and fruit. you will notice that there is a lot of easy meal ideas. That's going to be this month, and then also in May, I'm going to need to do a lot of really easy meals because we have a lot going on, getting ready for the doors to open to my online course and all that stuff. It takes a lot of behind the scene work to get it ready for you guys. Oh, so I got to keep things minimal and easy, and I know that all of our pro mamas out there and wives can totally relate to that. So the second week, I'm going to be out of town, and that's kind of what I mentioned a little bit before, is that I'm going to be out of town, and it's important that I incorporate that into my meal plan because I know hubby isn't going to make like this all-inclusive meal for the kids because he's doing everything by himself. So that week we're going to do black bean enchiladas, which is one of my favorite recipes. It has lots of yummy veggies in there. And then pancakes and fruit. So easy, quick again, and then spaghetti with noodles. And then you'll have to watch the meal planning, my grocery haul video tomorrow to see what kind of frozen stuff I bought to make dinner at home for him all really easy. And then week 3, we're going to be doing beef tacos, a Tex-Mex wrap, with the beef tacos. So one thing I do is for the meat, like in our grocery haul, you'll probably see that I only bought chicken, but we do still have a ton of meat in our freezer. Because last month I took advantage of a few sales at Sprouts, used our couponing budget and used our couponing cash budget to stock up on a bunch of meat. So we have some roasts in our freezer, and I'm going to use one of those roasts to do the beef tacos. So I stock up with our $40 per month couponing budget if I see a good deal, and then I freeze it, and then the following month I plan meals based off of what's already in our fridge, freezer, and pantry. So see how I can still do a whole month of meal planning, I can still do monthly grocery shopping, and still take advantage of those sales. So beef tacos, that's where that meat's coming from. Tex-Mex wraps, which that's just going to be one of those good meals to like kind of use up whatever meat we have on hand, whatever veggies we have on hand, that kind of stuff. Greek pitas, yummy, fresh, healthy. One pot beef stroganoff, not so healthy, but really easy and delicious. The whole family eats it, and it's in one pot, so that's really easy. Really easy cleanup. And then a turkey dinner. I bought a turkey on sale back in November. That's when Thanksgiving is. Back in November, I bought this turkey, and I keep putting it on my meal plans, but for one reason or another, we haven't cooked it yet. So I still have a frozen turkey, so I should probably use that soon. I don't know. I think it's still fine. And then on our last week of the month, I usually like to use really easy recipes because, again, that's usually when I'm doing my meal planning, grocery shopping, and that takes a lot of work. So homemade pizzas, always a crowd pleaser. Slow cooker cream cheese chicken. This one I don't really use a recipe for. I just like throw some chicken in there with some cream of chicken, and then what do I do? Oh, and then after it cooks, I add maybe some like Italian seasoning and some cream cheese. But anyways, I do have a recipe linked for you guys. And then nachos, again, another really good one to use up leftovers, and stir fry. Again, I usually have stir fry the last week of the month of the meal plan because I can just use up whatever we have left in our fridge, freezer, and pantry. And then grilled balsamic chicken with a side veggie is one of my kids' very favorite things. One question you also might be having is, what is this fresh grocery list over here? So for those of you that maybe don't know, I do monthly grocery shopping where I go and buy everything that I can live in the fridge, freezer, pantry for 30 days. And that's my big grocery haul. And our budget for that is $300. But we do still incorporate fresh fruits and veggies into our diet. And then anything else that we might need, like bread or tostada shells, that kind of thing. And so as I'm meal planning, I have 2 different grocery lists. A fresh grocery list right here on this meal plan that I just fill in as I go. And then I also have a master grocery list for monthly grocery shopping. And then this week, and so every week I go in and I do a super quick, 15 minutes from car to store, back to car, quick, easy shopping trip. And it usually can stick around $25 or less. So that's just kind of how we work it. So curious to hear about you guys. What are some of the meals that you're incorporating on your monthly meal plan? I want you guys to take action, just like every video I have for you. I want you to put what you've learned today into action. Meal planning is something that saves our family thousands of dollars every year. That's not an exaggeration. Before we did meal planning, we were spending over $1,000 a month for just hubby and I. Now for a family of 5, we're spending right around $400 to feed our entire family. It can save you guys hundreds of dollars. If you're new to meal planning, start just 1 week at a time. Meal plan for a week, grocery shop for the week, and try your best not to go to the grocery store more than once a week. And you let me know how much money you're saving because I know it's going to be a ton. So excited to hear from you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.